Hey everyone, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I've come into you with a quick makeup tutorial. I actually put this unit on in another video, so watch that. I am putting some priming oil on my face and actually pulling some stragglies off of my brows and trimming them up a little bit. Now I'm using the e.l.f. illuminating primer. I love that putty primer, dusting it with a little powder, and then e.l.f. under eye primer as well, starting to work with my brows and using Juvia's concealer in number 17 to clean up the brows a bit. Then I'm using Juvia's concealer in number 19 to finish the coverage for the eyes. I'm also going into Juvia's palettes, as you can see, for the eye look that I am creating. I'm putting a lot of color, different colors in this to match the sleeves of the dress I will be wearing. This video is me saying, yay, I'm finally going to an event outside the home, and want to make sure I look good. So I'm doing a real quick tutorial on the eye. As you can see, I'm adding all kinds of different colors from the Juvia palettes. That one was a BH Galaxy palette, where I'm getting that gold from. And I'm blending. There are multiple colors in the sleeve of my dress, so that's where I am getting that from. So now I'm working on contouring my face. It just gives you lots more dimension and depth and a realistic look instead of just flat makeup on your face. Cleaning up my hair, makeup off my hairline for a moment there. Now we are going in with some highlighting, also Juvia, and pushing that in with a brush. I'm using my wonderful Revolutions blush palette for that. Going back into the brows to get some individual hairs there. I like to do that. I'm using the Milan brow pencil for that with a felt tip. And putting some bronzer on. Also putting that bright color in the corners of the eye, and the blue liner at the bottom. You can see little flashes of the sleeve there. Liner on, lashes on, working with that. Just softening my baby hairs of my unit a little bit. That is a lovely hair unit. And this is the final look. As always, I'm very appreciative of every moment you spend with me. I hope you enjoyed this real quick makeup tutorial that gives you a final look. And looking at the colors in the eyes and how they blend, and you see what I meant by the colors in the sleeve. Ciao. Come back. Thank you for coming.